Hey, welcome back to my channel. Icon Penguin Dometic Duo Therm Air Conditioner Shroud. Shroud fits 11, 000, 13, 515, 000 BTU Penguin air conditioners. Attaches with original hardware. Overall dimensions, 40 inch x 28. 5 inch x 6. 5 inch. This shroud fits the low-profile Dometic Duotherm Penguin air conditioners. This shroud fits a large selection of 15,000 BTU, 13500 BTU, and 11,000 BTU including the following models: 600,312.321, 600,312.421, 600,315.321, 600,315.421, 620,215.303, 620,315.321, 620,315.421, 620,412.321, 620,412.421, 620,415.321, 620,415.421, 620,425.321, 620,426.321, 620,515.321, 620,515.331, 620,515.336, 620,515.421, 620,525.321, 620,525.331, 620,525.336, 620,525.421, 620,526.331, 620,526.336, 620,526.321, 630,025.321, 630,025.421, 630,215.321, 630,215.421, 630,515.321, 630,515.331, 630,515.336, 630,515.421, 630,516.331, 630,516.336, 630,516.321, 630,035.321. Not all AC shrouds are created equal. These aftermarket replacement air conditioner shrouds are constructed of high-impact UV-resistant material, thicker and stronger than the originals. Buy an Icon shroud and you'll have complete peace of mind, knowing that your shroud is designed to last. Fits Penguin air conditioners. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.